Look how pretty that fish is, guys. 5:30 a.m. But you know we gotta go catch some fish, motherfucker. Today, we're fishing the Tuolumne River in hopes of catching our first brook trout. Okay guys, there's fish everywhere. I was struggling to get a bite until this happened. There we go. First fish, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. My first brook trout ever. Oh, there's a fish. Check that one out, guys. Straight gorgeous. Oh, yes. There we go. There's a fish, guys. Right in this hole. Oh, I popped off. And I hook in the tree.